Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Okay, this is the entry of my room. I'm gonna give you an overview. First thing is the door, and on the door I've hung this Victoria's Secret bag. Okay, the second thing on the right hand side is my cupboard. This is what it looks like. So on this side of the cupboard I keep all my daily wear stuff, and on this side of the cupboard I keep all my party wear stuff. This is what my cupboard looks like when it's open. Over here there is a partition in the middle. Search for it. This, so like I can just put it down. It comes all the way down, but I'm not gonna do it because it's very heavy to put it back up. So because I'm not tall enough to reach all the hangers, I have this partition kind of thing. Over here I have all my tops, and over here I have all my hoodies. So when you look down, I have these drawer kind of things, and in one I keep all my jeans, and in one I keep all my pants. So when you look more down, I have these two columns where I keep all my tops in. When you open it, it looks like this. When you open the second drawer, it's just the same. This is what my cupboard looks like. And if you look more down to it, I have another drawer where I keep all my shoes in. This one, and even under my bed. Over here I have, these are my shoes over here. This is the second drawer for my shoes. So this is my full cupboard, and my shoe area, and my party wear stuff, which I'm not gonna show because it's very messy. Over here I have my bed. Side of my bed are two drawers, one over here and one on the other side. This one contains all my flats, and the other one contains all my heels. So when I open it, this is what it looks like. I have all my flats under these shoes in the boxes. So the next thing I have is this area. This is basically the area where I sit and get ready. Okay, so I have two shelves. The above shelf contain all my makeup products, and the down shelf contain all my skincare products. So the side of this area, I have this little bag of Victoria's Secret where I keep all my makeup products that it doesn't fit over. Next thing is this vanity. On the top I have eyeshadow palettes, my highlighter, my foundation, have all my rings, my highlighters, and some of my powders. have all these columns. The first one has my concealers and my stick foundations and my other products which I go back and forth to. The second column I have all my scrunchies and my rubber bands. The next column has all my pins, and the next one has all my extra powders, baking powders and highlighters. The next one I have all my nail stuff. The next one has all my lashes, and this one has all my eyeshadow palettes, and the other one too. Also, this thing opens up where I can keep all my jewelry in. Next thing I have is my TV, and under my TV I have all my favorite stuff. The first thing I have is this candle which I got from Bath and Body Works. This little mirror, and inside of this mirror I have all my perfumes, and I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour. Then the next thing I have is this Victoria's Secret lotion and this Victoria's Secret little perfume. Over here on this tray I have my favorite products. First thing I have is this Marc Jacobs perfume and Marc Jacobs cream, and also this Marc Jacobs tiny perfume. The next thing I have are these Fenty Beauty glosses. Side of that I have my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and then I have my Marc Jacobs brush. After it I have my foundations, my Dior Flash, my Fenty Beauty and my Marc Jacobs. Then the next thing I have is this Ofra highlighter and Ofra mini lipsticks. I also have my Tiffany & Co necklace over here. I have this Ladure bag. The next thing I have is this little Eiffel Tower and this little box which says Once Upon a Time. It has all my necklaces and stuff, and under that I have two Ladure boxes. Side of that I have this little thing, and over here I have my Pandora bracelet. Side of that I have this area. So the first thing over here I have this Urban Decay bag and Urban Decay foundations and lipsticks, and I have this perfumes over here. I also have these Victoria's Secret glosses and creams. Coming down I have my extra lipsticks and my extra glosses over here. So opposite to this I have this area. First thing I have are my heels. These are my favorite heels ever. The next thing I have is this, and I think it looks pretty cool over here. Moving on, I have this area where I have this huge mirror over here, and I have this area. I also have this light over here which pops up my highlighter. So moving on, the next thing I have is this area. Next column has my eyeshadow palettes, and also this is also an eyeshadow palette, and this little Eiffel Tower over here. The next thing I have is this area where I have my YSL bag and my Tiffany & Co stuff over here. Under to that I have my perfumes and this Victoria's Secret box. Inside that I have all my Victoria's Secret creams. Under to that I have these three columns. The first column has all my extra makeup, all my extra eyeliners, kajals, highlighters, eyebrow pencils, everything is in this column. The next column has all my lipsticks. It has all my lipsticks over here and my lip liners. So this is my sitting area. Over here I have my cushion, my laptop, and also these I got from Paris and I love them so much. Next to that I have my window, and in front I only have this apartment view, but when I open it, so this is the view I get from my window. So the next thing I have are the drawers under my sitting area. These drawer contains random stuff. The first thing over here I have all my jeans and stuff, and over here I have my wallets, my Victoria's Secret makeup bags, and all my extra stuff. Under to that I have my accessories column where I have all my accessories, earrings, everything like that. The side of my sitting area is this little cupboard where I have all my handbags. On the top I have placed these Victoria's Secret bags. Inside the cupboard I have all my handbags. Under that cupboard I have another column which I have all my books and stuff and my boots over there, so that's boring. The next thing I have is side of my bed, which is this little lamp. So that's my full room.